Hello students, after the completion of chapter matrices, now we are starting a new chapter from your NCERT book of the class 11th syllabus, determinants. So, what is the relation between determinants and matrices? A real number or complex number which associated with a square matrix A called determinant of matrix A. This step says that only square matrix are converted into the form of determinants, and determinant, the value of determinant is a real number or a complex number. Suppose that let A equal to Aij be a square matrix, then determinant of A denoted by the symbol determinant. Next, now determinant of order 1. What is the meaning of this step? Suppose that A equal to A is the square matrix of order 1 by 1. Then determinant of A is given by A is equal to A. Similarly, now determinant of order 2. If A equal to A11, A12, A21, A22, then determinant of A can be written as A11, A12, A21, A2. This is the square matrix of 2 by 2. Now determinant of A written as, so now finally determinant A can be expressed as A11 into A22 minus A21 into A12. Similarly, determinant of order n, A equal to, suppose that a matrix of order n by A11, A12, A1n, A21, A22, A2n, and finally AN1, AN2, AN. Then determinant of A can be written as A11, A12, A1n, A21, A22, A2n, and finally now we have AN1, AN2 up to AN. And after simplifying, we get the value of determinant A. So this is the way of writing of determinant of order 1, determinant of order 2, determinant of order n. Now we discuss about the determinant of a matrix of order 3. Determinants of a matrix of order 3. Here, if A equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33 is the square matrix of order 3 by 3. Then determinant of this matrix is written as determinant of A equal to, change the sign of matrix, it comes the determinant sign here, A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Now this can be expanded as determinant of A equal to A11 come outside, now A22 dot A33 minus A32 dot A23. First become this element, A11 is there. Now A22 multiply by A333 minus A32 multiply with A23 minus A12. Next minus A12 with odd sign. So now we get A21, A33 minus A31, A23 plus the final A13 now, then A21, A32 minus A21, A32 minus A31 into A22. So this is the value of the determinant of matrix of order 3, or this also can be expanded as determinant of A equal to A11, A22, A33 minus A32 into A23 plus A12 now. If we take positive sign with this number, then we have here A23 into A31 minus A21 into A32 plus final value A13 again the same sign A21 A32 minus A31 A22. So if we take positive sign is there, the order of the product is there change, because when we take with minus sign positive, negative, positive. So when we take this value outside, multiply this with this and minus this with this. When we take this value with minus sign, so order is changed. This with this minus this with this. If we take this positive sign here, so now this multiply by this and this multiply by this. So both are the expansion of the determinant of A, and these values are the, so determinant is the function, determinant defined as a function, so in the form of a function we can define f m to x, where m is a set of square matrix and x be a set of real or complex number. So here determinant also can be defined in the form of matrix f m to x, where m is the set of square matrix and x is the set of real or complex number. So this is the way of expanding of the determinants of a matrix or of order 3. Now I am taking some problems based on determinants of matrix of order 2. So here evaluate the determinants. The first question was 2, 4, minus 5, minus 1. Second determinant cos theta minus sin theta cos theta. In third part x square minus x plus 1, x minus 1, x plus 1, x plus 1. So how can we expand these determinants? The first part we write the value of determinant as by del 2, 4, minus 5, minus 1, open 2 into minus 1 minus 4 into minus 5. So 2 1 minus 2 plus 20, that means 18. In second part, del equal to determinant cos theta minus sin theta cos theta is equal to cos theta into cos theta minus sin theta into minus sin theta. This is cos square theta plus sin square theta. This is equal to 1. The second determinant. And the third, again, del equal to x square minus x plus 1 x minus 1, x plus 1, x plus 1, expand this. So now we have x plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1 minus x minus 1 x plus 1. So they are equal to a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. This can be written as x plus 1 again, x square minus x plus 1 square minus x square minus 1. So again this become x cube minus 1 cube, sorry, x cube plus 1 cube minus x square minus 1. So finally they are equal to x cube plus 1 minus x square plus 1. So this become x cube minus x square plus 2. Here we use identity a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square equal to a cube plus b. So answer is x cube minus x square plus 2. Now I am taking another problems. Determinants of a matrix of order 3. So here the first part is that evaluate the determinants of order 3, and second part is also there, determinant of order 3. So now the first part is there, del equal to 3 minus 1 2 0 0 minus 1 3 minus 5 0. So expanded 3 outside. Now 0 multiplied with 0 0 minus 1 multiplied with minus 5, this become 5. Again minus is there, so minus 1 inside, 0 multiplied with 0 0 plus 3 plus 2, open with this, 0 multiplied with 0 0 multiplied by minus 5, sorry, 0 minus. Again when we start with 3, so here 0 multiplied with 0 minus plus 5, but minus side inside the bracket, so you have minus 5. Again open with minus, so minus 1 0 multiplied with 0 minus 1 multiplied with 3, so it becomes plus 3 because minus sign in between the two elements, and plus 2 now outside, 0 multiplied with minus 5, so 0, and 0 multiplied with 3, again 0. So finally del equal to 3 5 ja minus 15, this become minus plus 3, and finally 0. 2 into 0, so this become minus 12. So 12 equal to minus 12. This is the value of first determinant. The second, del equal to 2 minus 1 minus 2 0 2 minus 1 3 minus 5 3 minus 5 0. Open this, 2 is outside now, 2 multiplied with 0 become 0, minus 1 minus 1, minus 5 minus 1 become minus, so again this is 5, again minus 1, 0 multiplied with 0, so we have 0, plus 3, again plus 3, and now minus 2 is outside, so we have 0 into minus 5, 0, minus 6. So again we simplify this, 2 5 minus 10, this is minus plus 3, and here 2 6 12 plus 12, so 12 plus 3 15 minus 10 5. So finally del equal to 5. This is the value of second determinant. Now some more questions. Find the value of x if determinant 2, 4, 5, 1 is equal to 2x, 4, 6x. In second part, determinant 2, 3, 4, 5, x 3, 2x 5, and third also same as the first two. स्टूडेंट इस चीज का ध्यान रखिएगा जब हम क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कर रहे होते हैं। मैंने एग्जाम में कई बार कॉपी करेक्ट करते हुए, जब आप सीबीएसई एग्जाम का वो देते हैं, कॉपी करेक्ट करते हुए इस क्वेश्चन को बोर्ड में आते हुए देखा है। और वहां मैंने देखा है बच्चों को वो कुछ नहीं करते, वो मैट्रिक्स समझ के इसको कंपेयर कर देते हैं। 2x इक्वल टू 2 सो x इक्वल टू 1, x इक्वल टू 2 सो x इक्वल टू 2, x इक्वल टू 6 सो x इक्वल टू 6। ये डिटरमिनेंट है, मैट्रिक्स नहीं है। यहाँ कंपेयरिंग नहीं होगी, यहाँ आपको इनको सिंप्लीफाई करके ही x की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी होगी। So now we take first part. How can we solve this type of question? 2, 4, 5, 1 is equal to 2x, 4, 6x. Left hand determinant 2 1 जा 2, 2 into 1 minus 4 into 5 is equal to 2x into x minus 4 into 6. So after solving we have 2 minus 20 equal to 2x square minus 24. After simplifying we have 2x square equal to 24 minus 18, that means 6. X square equal to 3, x equal to plus minus under root. Second part now, and on comparing we have 2x equal to 2, x equal to 1. So this process can be applied only with the matrices, because two matrices are said to be equal if their corresponding elements are equal while the order of the both the matrices are same. But these are the determinant. So here we cannot compare the elements. First we simplify the determinant and after that find the value of unknown value. Now second part, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal to x3, 2x5. So now we have 2 5 are 10 minus 3 4 are 12 equal to 5x minus 6x. So now we have minus 2 equal to minus x, so x equal to 2. Here the x equal to plus minus root 3, x equal to 2. And the third part of the question, x 2, 18, x is equal to 6, 2, 18, 6. Simplify the left hand side, x square minus 36, x square minus 36 is equal to 36 minus 36 minus 36. So now we have x square equal to 36, so x equal to plus minus 6. So this is the value of unknown value x in the expansion of the determinant in part 3 now. Now an important property is there. If A be a square matrix of order n, if A be a square matrix of order n and K be a non-zero scalar, then determinant of K into A, here K is the scalar, A is the square matrix, determinant of K is equal to K to the power n determinant A, where n is the order of the given matrix. That is, if A be a square matrix of order 2, then thrice the value 3 may be any more. So determinant of 3A can be expressed 3 square determinant A, that means 9A. Similarly, if A be a square matrix of order 3, then determinant of 2A can be written as 2 power 3 to the power 3 as according this to the power 3, that means 8 determinant A. So these are some important property that this can be used in your MCQs questions whenever you solve the solved question. Now I am taking a question based on the property determinant Ka is equal to the k to the power n determinant A. इसके पहले आपने जो प्रॉपर्टी अभी देखी थी उसी प्रॉपर्टी को वेरीफाई करने के लिए क्वेश्चन है. Here A is the given matrix of order 3 by 3 and we want to show that determinant of 3A equal to 27A. We know that well, this is the property, so we can use anywhere, but here we want to verify this property here. So now A equal to 1 0 1 0 1 2 0 0 4. That means 3A equal to, now this become 1 multiplied by 3 303 036 036 0012. This is the value of matrix 3A. Now the determinant of 3A is equal to 303 036 0012 is equal to 3 is there, 36 minus 0 minus 0 0 minus 0 again plus 3. So now we have 0 minus 0. So the value of determinant 3A equal to, we have 36 3 are 108. 108. Now right hand side 27 determinant A. 27 determinant A, that means 27 the determinant A 101 012 004. Now simplify this. So we have 27. Open this 1 1 4 ja 4 minus 0 minus 0 plus 1 0 minus 0. So again 27 determinant A equal to 27 into 4, that means 108. So from first and second, we have 3 determinant of 3A equal to 27 determinant of A. So here is a verification of that property. Determinant of 3A is equal to 27 followed by just like as Ka equal to k to the power n. So this is the most important property of the determinant.